If you know truly everything is impermanent, then you're a very happy person. Nothing can upset you. Because everything is impermanent. Every morning sun comes up, wonderful. Every evening sun goes down, wonderful. Every day, every hour, every minute, every second, everything is changing, wonderful. No problem. Of course, if one don't have that understanding, if one think everything is permanent, then every moment is suffering, because every moment is impermanent.